Hello everyone, welcome to school. So today we are going to discuss about the chapter Digestion and Absorption. So in this chapter there are totally 4 topics, okay. So the first one is digestive system. So in digestive system we are going to discuss about alimentary canal and digestive glands. What are the digestive glands which are helping in digestion? And the second topic is digestion of food. And the third one is absorption of digestive products. How the digestive products are absorbed. Okay. And the disorders of digestive system. Okay. So these are the topics which I are going to discuss. We will be discussing about the first topic about the digestive system. Okay. We are going to discuss about the first topic which is digestive system. So in that we are going to discuss about alimentary canal. Okay. So alimentary canal is nothing but how the food enters and how it reaches and everything can you see. So here it starts with mouth. Okay, when we eat the food it reaches the buccal cavity. So in buccal cavity is nothing but it is the oral cavity which has number of teeth and tongue and everything. So here we have a thecodont dentition. Thecodont dentition is nothing but the teeth are present in a socket. So that socket and the teeth are known as thecodont dentition. Okay. So we have a socket where the teeth is very in and it is deeply situated. Okay. So it is known as thecodont dentition. So we have two kinds of teeth. First one is milk or temporary teeth and the second one is permanent teeth. So the milk teeth or deciduous teeth is replaced by permanent teeth. Okay. So generally the formula of teeth is 2123 by 2123 in our humans. Why it is 2123 by 2123?
2 premolars like that it comes.
Canines. Okay. Incisors, canines, premolars, molars. So if you take we have two jaws. Okay. In these two jaws, if you take one jaw, the same half teeth is arranged here. Yes, here teeth is arranged here also. So we are taking only this part. We are dividing this by 4.
Okay, 1 by 4.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that is this one. So in that the first two are incisors and the canines, 2 molars and 2 premolars and then 3 molars. Okay. So this one and here also it is the same. So here it is by 2 it is coming. Okay. So this is the formula and our oral cavity have tongue, muscular structure called tongue. It is attached to frenulum called structure. Okay. So these tongue bear a number of papillae which have taste buds in them. Okay. So next we will see how the food enters to the food pipe. So this oral cavity leads into a short segment called pharynx. Okay. So this pharynx is a common passage for both food and air. Okay. So here both food and air is entered in pharynx. Okay. So this pharynx also leads to trachea.
Okay.
Okay. And from pharynx there comes esophagus. Okay. So after esophagus, stomach. This one is stomach. Okay. So in the opening of windpipe, a cartilage known as epiglottis prevents the flow of food.
A muscle-like structure.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. A muscle-like structure cartilage. It is a cartilaginous flap. It prevents the food to enter trachea.
When we breathe in, the flap will open.
Yeah. Okay, but the food goes, it will be closed. Okay. It does not enter food into trachea. Now, after moving into esophagus is a thin long tube which connects the pharynx and stomach. Okay. So here there is a muscular sphincter called gastroesophageal sphincter.
It's also like a muscle.
Yeah.
Okay. Like a wall.
It is present. Yeah. It is present. It regulates the opening of esophagus into the stomach. The food. Okay. It regulates the opening of the food into the stomach. Okay. So here after that the stomach is located. The stomach is generally J-shaped in structure, and it is located in the left side. Okay, left side of the abdomen. It has three parts: cardiac part, fundic, and pyloric. Okay, so actually it is like this one. Okay. So here, this one is known as fundus, fundic part, cardiac portion of stomach, and this one is pyloric portion of stomach. Okay.
And the portion of it is called duodenum.
Yeah, this one turns into duodenum. Like this one is known as duodenum. Okay, U-shaped duodenum. Okay. So here, so from duodenum, small intestine starts. So duodenum is the first part of small intestine, and
Ileum.
yeah, duodenum, long coiled jejunum and a short ileum. Okay, duodenum, jejunum and ileum is are parts of small intestine. Okay, so here this ileum opens into a large cecum. This one is known as cecum. It holds many bacteria, microscopic bacteria. Okay, symbiotic microorganisms. Okay, it has many symbiotic organisms, and this cecum leads to colon. Okay, so this colon is ascending colon, and this one is transverse colon, and this one is descending colon.
Okay.
And it leads to rectum and therefore anus. Okay, this one is anus and this one is rectum. So descending colon leads to anus and rectum. So this is the pathway of food. Okay, it travels like that, and so next we will see what are the muscles which surround the intestine and intestine. What are the muscles are surrounding from the generally from the esophagus to intestine? What are the muscles? We are seeing the pipe rings. So that muscles of the pipe we are going to see. Muscles of food pipe, how it is covered and how much muscles it consists of, you are going to see. So are you clear with this diagram? So this is the esophagus, stomach and everything. This all we have explained. So this one is liver, bilobic liver, and this one is gallbladder, this one is pancreas and everything. Okay. So next we will see the different kinds of muscles which are present in the gut of the alimentary canal. So now we are going to see the muscles forming the alimentary canal from gut. Okay. So here from the gut to the intestines there are 4 muscles which constitute from outer to inner, which passes the food. Okay, so the food pipe, right? So the food pipe that passes the food. So we are going to see the section of food pipe here. Okay, so here the outer covering is known as serosa, which acts as epithelium. Okay, serosa. So this serosa, it is made up of thin mesothelium, which is also known as epithelium. And next to serosa there comes outer longitudinal muscles, and after that inner circular muscles. So both outer longitudinal and inner circular muscles, so these both constitute muscularis. So totally there are 4: serosa, muscularis, submucosa, mucosa. Okay. So first is serosa, that is outermost covering, and the second one is muscularis, which composed of outer longitudinal and inner circular muscles. Okay. So these muscles, this muscularis is made up of smooth muscle tissue. Okay, it is made up of smooth muscle tissue, and some muscle layer can also be present in this muscularis region. Okay. So next comes the submucosa layer. So submucosa is a loose connective tissue. Okay. So here this submucosa, it consists of many nerves, blood vessels, limbs and everything. So after submucosa there comes mucosa. This is from outside to inside, okay? Mucosa is the inside and after that lumen. So through lumen only the food passes, okay? So this is the cross section of the alimentary canal. Yeah. So if you cut it like this is the structure and here only the food goes in, okay? So next comes mucosa. This is the mucosa which is having many villi in the intestine and rugae in the stomach, okay? So this lining mucosa have many rugaes like this, it has structure like this. Structure like this. So these rugaes are present in stomach. Whereas if the same structure is present in intestine, it's known as villi, okay? And these villi have many capillaries passing through. So these are capillaries, and these are crypts. Okay, so these are villi, and so arteries, veins, and everything pass through these villi. So which helps in absorption of food. Okay. So here, so villi in the small intestine can have crypts of Leugerhund. So Leugerhund is nothing but the crypts which are present here. If the same is present in small intestine, some crypts are known as crypts of Leugerhund. Okay. So this is about the muscles which are present in the alimentary canal. Okay. So these are the muscles and those are the villi, the structure and everything. So next we will see about digestive glands which are present in the digestive system. Okay. We are going to discuss about various digestive glands which secrete some substances to enhance digestion. Okay. So there are
substances to smaller parts. Okay.
So there are three kinds of digestive glands in our body. So the first one is salivary glands, liver and pancreas. Okay. So first we are going to see about salivary glands. So saliva, okay, our saliva is generally secreted by three pairs of salivary glands. The first one is parotids, which are present in the cheeks, and submaxillary or mandibular, which is present in the lower jaw, and sublinguals, which is present below the tongue. Okay, so parotids, submaxillary or mandibular, sublinguals. Okay, so these three glands secrete saliva in our bubble cavity. Okay. And these enhance digestion process of carbohydrates up to 30%. So next we are going to see about liver. So liver is the largest digestive gland, okay, in our body. So which weighs, it is you have to remember that liver is the largest gland, okay, in our body. Okay. So it weighs between 1.2 to 1.5 kg in adult human, okay. So it weighs 1.2 to 1.5 kg. So where it is present, this liver is present in the right upper part of the right abdomen. Okay. Where it is present adjacent to the stomach. Okay. So hepatic lobules. So these hepatic lobules are known as hepatic cells. So these are structural and functional units of liver. Okay. So for example, if you take kidney, nephrons are the structural and functional unit of kidney. So they are small and the kidney is composed of nephrons. So like that here, liver is composed of hepatic cells. So there are many number of hepatic cells which are present and form structural and functional units of liver. Okay. So this liver is of two lobes. Okay. It has two lobes, and each lobe is covered by thin connective tissue sheath called Glissen's capsule. Okay. This is thin connective tissue sheath which is covering the two lobes of the liver. Okay. Which is present. We have already seen that here stomach will be there and here liver will be there. So this bile is secreted by hepatic cells in the liver. Okay. So after secreting bile, this bile is stored and concentrated in gallbladder. Gallbladder also we have seen a small structure at the end of the liver. Okay. So it is stored and concentrated in the gallbladder. So this bile is concentrated in gallbladder. Okay. So now what is common bile duct? Bile is that we have seen that bile is a substance. Okay. So what is common bile duct? Bile duct is nothing but cystic duct. Cystic duct is nothing but the duct of gallbladder.
Okay.
Plus the hepatic duct from liver. So these both duct join and forms common bile duct. Can you understand it? So one duct coming from the gallbladder, known as cystic duct. Other duct coming from the liver, okay, known as hepatic duct. So these both ducts join, which is known as common bile duct. Okay. So they join together and they release their secretions in the they join together. Okay. They join together and they come in. Okay. So after bile duct plus pancreatic duct. Pancreatic duct is just nothing but it is coming from pancreas. Okay.
Like the same duct.
Pancreas are present in the duodenum. It is present in the right side of duodenum. Okay. So that duct comes. So these both ducts, okay, the bile duct, the common bile duct itself consists of two ducts. So that common bile duct and this pancreatic duct, it joins and release their secretions into duodenum. Okay. So this bile duct, this bile duct plus pancreatic duct, it is known as hepatopancreatic duct. Okay. And it is regulated by the muscular sphincter called sphincter of Oddi.
Okay.
So this sphincter regulates the secretion which is secreted into duodenum. Okay, can you understand? So this is cystic duct coming from the gallbladder, hepatic duct coming from the liver, both joins. Okay, and here another duct joins from pancreas. So this is pancreatic duct, joins, it forms a common duct, hepatopancreatic duct. Okay. So this pancreas secretes a large number of enzymes and everything. So this pancreas is a compound gland. Okay, it is known as compound gland because it is both exocrine and endocrine. Okay, endocrine is that these pancreas also release hormones, so therefore it is known as endocrine. Exocrine is nothing but the hormones directly into blood, that is endocrine. So exocrine is nothing but these release substances through with the help of ducts. Okay, so it is a compound gland. Okay, and it produces various digestive juices and everything. Okay. So next we will see about the digestion of food, which is our second topic. Okay.